my God, please. Did you hurt yourself?
Are you good?
My first hike for the year was Table Mountain's Coastal Sport. One of the toughest hikes I've ever done. I wanted to vlog it, but it was terrible. But as you can see with the caption of the video, that's not what this one's about. Silvermine Walks has multiple paths, but the one that we took for this hike is Elephant's Eye.
Ne?
That was very fast.
Look who's here, really, Twari, how are you? Yeah, there's everybody.
Your head down. Smile.
Yeah, this is the men. Hey, Kevin, say hi.
As you walk in, you are greeted by a lovely body of water. This is a public area in which people often come to just swim.
So it's
There is a pathway that is provided, but this you can only find around the body of water.
I just hope I keep up with this pace I'm putting myself at.
The path is quite narrow and there are no signs that point to you in which direction you should go depending on the hike in which you are doing. So I would suggest going with someone who's done the hike before, who knows the path. The hike starts off quite steep and you can feel the incline as you go, but there are no big rocks until you get to the Elephant's Eye path. Now, this goes on for quite some time, and on this specific hike, there isn't necessarily views, only at a certain point. On the previous hike that I did not have the correct shoes. And given the type of rocks that we're climbing on, I would also recommend getting the proper hiking shoes if you do not want to be walking in pain for the whole week. As I've mentioned that the path is narrow, this specific part you will come into contact with plants. So if you have allergies or whatsoever, make sure you cover yourself.
Not the sun!
No, the children is with my son.
if anything, you are more likely to enjoy the views on the walk back.
Yeah.
And you could finish off your hike by spending time by the lake.